How do I set up my Vonage device? I'm so excited to help you set up your Vonage device. Vonage is an amazing way to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world. With Vonage, you can also make calls to landlines and cell phones in over 20 countries. Before we get started, there are a few things you'll need. A Vonage device, a high-speed internet connection, a Vonage account. Once you have these things, you're ready to get started. Steps. Connect your Vonage device to your router. Plug in the power cord to the Vonage device. Wait for the Vonage device to boot up. Once the Vonage device is booted up, open the Vonage app on your phone or computer. Sign in to your Vonage account. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to make and receive calls from your Vonage device. Additional tips. If you're having trouble setting up your Vonage device, you can contact Vonage customer support for help. You can also find help on the Vonage website. Once you've set up your Vonage device, you can customize it to your liking. Setting up your Vonage device is easy and only takes a few minutes. Once you're set up, you'll be able to enjoy the many benefits of Vonage. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable way to make phone calls, I highly recommend Vonage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.